All right, so we took a look at implementing a really simple Hello World Node.js application. It's too trivial to be of any use. So let's use Node.js for something a little more interesting. We're going to be creating a server. So we're going to create a server. We're going to create a brand new JavaScript file, and we're going to call it server.js. Okay, and this server, right? What we want to be able to do is create something that can respond to and interact with the HTTP protocol. So to do that, we're going to have to use a library which is dedicated and specifically designed for doing just that, for interacting with and implementing HTTP interactions and servers, right? So we're going to be using a library called Express. Right? We're going to have to install the library, and the way we're going to install it is using npm install. So we're going to do npm from the root of your application, right? We're going to do npm install, and the library is called Express, and we're going to say save. So save is going to make sure that once we download and install the Express library, it's going to make an entry in the package.json file that our project depends on this library, so that if someone else wants to install this, right, when they do npm install, the dependency will be listed in package.json, and so it will build for them. Otherwise, if it's not declared as a dependency, it won't build for them, right? They'll need to install it themselves. So there we are. So we go npm install. It's going to download this from the npm .com repository, and now it will be available here in our package. Notice that if we look at the content of our directory now, we see that we have a new directory called node_modules. That's where npm puts all the dependencies, any libraries that our project needs, right? So puts them in the node_modules. Also, it made an entry into the package.json file. If we look at the package.json now, we see that there's a new entry in there. There's Express, right? Using one of the latest version of Express, and so that other folks can install it later on by using npm install. Okay.